Good afternoon, my people. The highlight of my day is always applying pen to the paper because I'm working on something that I know is moving forward. The economic strength that the U.S. holds over a $6 trillion GDP ranking is outstanding. The chances that even in this inflation, there's always a home being sold. Why would anyone want to buy a home? Possibly because appreciation. And you could get tax write-offs for being the owner of a home. And if you like to watch your money move forward, let's do some math here to see how much your house can produce in the next 10 years off that same investment. In 1963, the market price of a home was $1,800. And in 1975, that same investment would have doubled in revenue. So let's bring that to this generation, okay? So if you would have bought that house that was $235,000 10 years ago, that same investment would have been $440,000 today. Even with negotiation, we can come to some sort of agreement. I'm just saying. Even with gas prices coming down and us paying $12 carryout meals, it is always important to get in the swing of things. Investing is key, not just for the better life, but you can't expect to receive a gift if you don't expect a giving. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace.